Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use private share for sensitive files on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's go. Okay guys, so it's very easy. For example, you want to share a photo. You go to gallery, you select the photo, you click here, you click here on this icon here, then you click quick share. You press these three dots, turn on private sharing, and here you can select then how many hours you want it to last. And for example, I select, I don't know, okay, let it be 1 hour and 2 minutes. After 1 hour and 2 minutes, this file won't be able, the person who you send it to only has 1 hour and 2 minutes to open it, because after this time he can't open it. Okay, so let's click done, then share to contacts. You select the contact. I don't have a SIM card, but after you select the contact, you can send it to him. Also, it's just about photos, but if you go to app called My Files, let's go to audio. Wait, cancel. You hold it, then you click share, quick share, and you can do it again. Turn on private sharing, select how long, after what time you want it to expire, and you click share to contacts. And for example, let's pick Emma, and after, I don't have a SIM card again, but you click and then you click send. And that's how to use private sharing for sensitive files on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's go.